Hello and welcome to the Future of Dance Festival. My name is Mr. Robles. I am the director of the festival. So there's a little bit of everything for everyone, so it's up to you guys to what lectures or movement experience you want to have. All right, make it proud, dancers. Here we go.
Being able to dance at the college level is really a gift and a treat for an artist, and I think it's something that we should really appreciate and support as arts into the future.
My favorite part was taking classes like contemporary and jazz because I have never taken like an actual jazz class before, so being able to be in a class with different people and people that I can relate to is really amazing.
Jazz Future Lisa.
Belly dance is actually a social dance. I know we always think of it as a performance of a girl in a beautiful, sparkly costume.
Taking class from the belly dancing, it was really amazing. New way for myself to learn parts about my body and how I could move them. That was really amazing.
I'm enjoying watching the dancers collaborate with their peers, and I also appreciate that they get the opportunity to dance at a higher level setting. It gives them an idea that they can continue studying dance not only in high school but in college as well.
I like that everyone's just open and they're just letting themselves dance.
And everybody's so friendly.
Yeah.
Like I meet friends and it's like out of nowhere too.
Yeah.
Totally enjoyed it. I'm with Out of the Box company with Kim Weiss.
Today we had a lot of opportunities for students to just do new work that they were just working on. You know, some of them just made it this week, but I think sometimes, you know, providing the opportunity and you can really learn a lot. Even if you don't feel like it's the most, you know, cleaned up dance, like you're gonna learn something by just going out there, doing it, and putting your passion forward. So I think a lot of the students did that today and it was really inspiring, and I think it created a really positive space for youth to really support each other, and that's what I'm really happy about.